Yo, what's up guys, my name's Ethan from The Tech Life, and today we're going to be looking at the top free tweaks that you can install on iOS 13.5 and under, so make sure you guys like and subscribe for more videos like this. Without further ado, let's get right into the video and look at these tweaks. Peace. So this tweak is called Auto Unlock X, and basically what it does is let you unlock your phone and go to the home screen without having to swipe up on your home bar after it's already scanned you with Face ID. So as you can see here, it scans my face and auto swipes up and goes to the home screen, and I didn't have to swipe on the home bar. So this one's pretty cool if you just have your phone laying down and don't want to swipe up. So this tweak is called Home Plus Beta, and basically what it lets you do is if you swipe down from the top left corner, it gives you a whole lot of options to change the look and feel of your home screen. So it gives you dock, icon sizes, icon layout, and row options where you can all change, and you just have to tap back on your home screen and it goes back. So it just gives you a lot of customability, and if you want to change your home screen up, you can. So this next tweak is called April, and it just replaces your lock screen clock with a more sleeker, modern looking clock pushed to the either left or your right of your screen based on your preference, and it gives you cool widgets with it, so plus. This next tweak is called Quitall, and what else could it do except Quitall? So basically if you have a lot of apps opened like I'm about to right here, and you go to your app switcher where you can cancel out your apps like usual, in the top right corner there is a button that says clear, and it will clear all of them at once, and there's settings where you can have it not close out your current app or whatever you want. So this next tweak is called Cylinder, and you might have seen it in my other video, but it just gives you that cool animation you see right now of switching your lock screen pages, and there's different settings for it and different animations like I'm going to show you right now, and there's just a lot of cool stuff you can do with this tweak, and like you can see right now, it just gives you your own custom feel of your phone, and there's just a lot of cool stuff with this tweak. I like it a lot, so you can just make your lock screen or your home screen, sorry. So this next tweak is called Send Delay, and basically it gives you a small 1 or 2 second delay to sending your text. So as you can see here, if I type something out and when I click the send button, there's going to be a red bar that goes across the screen, and it gives me about a 1 second grace period to stop or cancel the text message, and after that it's just going to send on its own. So if you ever regret or type something wrong and you have OCD, it'll let you stop it within 1 or 2 seconds, and once again that's customizable. So this is another text message based tweak. So at the bottom you can see there's a bar of my most recently used emojis, and you can just swipe around to see, so you don't have to click the little emoji button, and you can just change it to whatever you want, and there's a bunch of emojis, easy access, and this is on any keyboard that you use, and it's pretty cool just to have easy access to your emojis. So this tweak is called Chroma Homework X, and as you can see here, when I go into an app, I have an RGB home bar now, and any app you go in that has your home bar displayed, it's going to be a slowly changing colorful home bar. So just another little aesthetic touch that I like, and you can just make your phone feel however you want and change it to your color and just customize your phone and make it different than anybody else's, and it's cool. I just like Jailbreak for these kind of things. So this tweak is called Pencil Charging Indicator, and as you can see, if I plug my phone in here, you're going to see the little white Apple Pencil bubble that pops up showing the name of my phone, which is Korean Nuke, don't judge me, and it's just gonna pop up and gives you a little cool aesthetic thing to show your phone's charging and just to show off to your friends. So go ahead and give it a try, it's a really cool tweak. So this tweak is called Small Siri, and as you can see, if I pull up my Siri, instead of being a full screen app, it's just gonna pop up in the top, kind of like a Mac notification that you'd see on your Mac, and it's pretty cool just to minimize Siri a little bit. And as you can see here, if I swipe down, it's gonna make it full screen like the usual Siri, and it's just kind of cool to have it smaller. So this is probably one of my favorite tweaks in the book right now, and basically as you can see, this one is called Cask 2, and if I go to my settings and scroll down, there's going to be a little bit of a rainbow effect that's a little delayed, and it's cool. There's a bunch of different settings you can change within the Cask 2 settings, and whenever I scroll on, if I go to my text messages, you're going to be able to see that rainbow effect on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever you scroll on. So it's pretty cool. Give it a try. Cask 2. Mobile Goose module. So as you guys have probably seen in my last video, if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it, but you have the mobile goose on your screen that just walks around and annoys you. But now if you want to turn it off, there is Mobile Goose module, which pops up in your control center, and you can toggle it on and off and just control when your goose is on and off. So if you're going to do something important, you can turn it off, and if you want it on just to show it off to your friends, you can just click it on with one click. So this is a super useful tweak. It is called Batchomatic, and basically it will make an online or an offline file of your tweaks. And so if you need to reset your phone and get rid of your jailbreak to send it into Apple so your warranty doesn't get voided, it will make a backup of all your tweaks. So if you ever want to re-jailbreak your phone, even on a completely different phone, you can back up and reload all of your tweaks on a new jailbreak, and it's super cool that you can get all your tweaks back. So this tweak is called Tap Tap Lock, and guess what it does? It tap tap and lock. So just double tap on your screen anywhere inside the screen besides the lock screen, and it will instantly lock your phone and put it to sleep. And so if you're too lazy to push the power button, just go ahead and tap your screen twice with Tap Tap Lock. So this tweak is called Dragspring, and basically if you don't have a respring tweak already, go to your settings, then swipe down to refresh, and it will instantly respring your phone. So if you need just to respring it's being slow, so just go ahead and drag your settings with Dragspring. So this is the last and final tweak, and this one is called Complications. So as you can see on my lock screen, I have the Apple Watch style little bubble widgets on my lock screen, and it's pretty cool. You can customize them to whatever you want and make them look however you want. I just have my favorites on there, and it just gives you a little more of a cooler look to your lock screen. So if you want your phone to look more modern, like I said before, customize it to you, go ahead and get this tweak. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. That has been the top free tweaks for iOS 13.5, and once again, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really means so much to me, and if you're watching this far, I really appreciate all of you guys that are dedicated to the videos, and comment what you want to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.